Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add transition between the clips on CapCut apps. Alright, so you can tap on your project, select your photos or videos you like to edit, and I'm going to open my project, and there is one video. So you can add a transition if you have more than one clip. So this is one video and I'm going to split the clip into some part. And you can see this icon, this transition icon between the clip. Just click on it and select the transition you like. For example, check one, just click check marks, or just apply to all. To apply this transition to all the clip, click check mark. So this is final pick. You can change the transition. Just click on the transition icon and change transition. Alright, that's how you can add transition between the clips on the CapCut apps. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.